In this short video, I am just going to share with you some tips that can assist you in taking really great photos so that I can read your hands. So first off, for most people, your cell phone is actually probably just fine as far as taking a picture. What I recommend is that you take the picture in good lighting. Okay, outdoor is actually best in sunlight. That's going to give me the best lighting and the best contrast, but make sure that it's in a very brightly lit room otherwise. And we want you to hold your hands with your fingers together. Okay, and the reason why we do this is so that I can compare your fingers to each other. Okay, so this would be a good first picture, right? So take the whole hand, palm side, with including the palm and the fingers. Okay, do this for both hands. Okay, so we do the palm side fingers together. The thumb obviously is going to stick out a little bit and take that picture. Another thing you want to do is if you want me to read your thumb, the best way is to take a separate picture of your thumb. And so you want to hold this up like this and take a shot of the thumb. So especially if I'm going to read the fingerprints, I need a really clear shot of the thumb, and especially this part of the thumb where the fingerprint is located. So do that again for both hands. All right. Obviously, if you're by yourself, it can be sometimes a little harder to take your own pictures. You might want to have somebody take it for you. And you want to submit your hand photos in high resolution. If you submit them and they're in super low resolution, they might be a little bit blurry when I blow them up on a computer screen. So keep that in mind. If I can't see the details, it's going to be harder to read. Another thing that I get from a lot of people is sometimes your hands are dry, and some people just have dry skin. So what I recommend is that you actually put lotion on your hands before you take the picture if you have dry skin, and make sure you rub it in really good and then go ahead and take the photo at that point. Okay, so I'm also going to show you in this video some examples of good and bad pictures, just so that you can see the difference. But typically, if I cannot read it and I have time, obviously I would reply and I would have you retake the picture. So I'm going to show you some of those images, and I look forward to receiving your photos.